Good evening, everyone. Is my audio fine? Can you confirm to me in the chat? Okay, thank you, Mr. Ronaldo. Good evening, Mr. Nani. Okay, welcome again, once again, my friends. We have quite a lot today. Okay, let me greet you one by one, Mr. Nani, Reynaldo, Armin, Jessa, Nora, Alice, and Leon. And of course, to our awesome Algotor managers. Good evening again. So, welcome to our webinar for tonight, where we will discuss about US 30. Okay. Any idea what US 30 means? When we say US 30, what does that mean? Okay, XAU is gold. Okay, XSG USD is silver. Okay, among others. But what about US 30? Anyone? No idea. Okay, my friends, don't worry. We will reveal all the secret sauce for this tonight. So, moving on now. Okay, secret giveaway 50%, our very famous 50% deposit bonus. Deposit 100, you get 50, 500, you get 250, and 1,000, you get $500 extra. How nice. I hope you have availed this giveaway because you cannot find such giveaway in any other prop firms. So only 5 slots available. This may go fast. Okay. All right. So I hope you will, you know, consider this 50% deposit bonus. Okay. So you can have extra money to trade. Okay, my friends. Otherwise, you can also spread the word to your friends, your family who are interested in trading, then they can benefit from this. All right. All right. Moving on now. Okay. What is the US 30? The US 30 index represents the value of the 30 largest US registered corporations, also known as the Dow Jones Index. Okay, you know, when you're watching the TV, the Dow is now down. Okay, you hear such news. Okay, well, but what is really the Dow Jones? Okay, it is one of the most watched indices in the world because of the short list of companies it represents. Okay, among the thousands, maybe millions of companies. Okay, but only 30 are included here. Okay, the US 30 index is made up of 30 well-established blue chip companies representing a range of sectors like technology, finance, healthcare, and consumer goods. It is one of the most watched indices in the world because of the short list of companies it represents. So that's why US 30. Okay, US means companies who are in the United States. Okay, that's what it means. What else? The history of the US 30. The US 30 was created by journalist Charles Dow and his business partner Edward Jones, hence the Dow Jones, okay, in 1896. So it's more than 100 years now. It's the second oldest stock market index in the US. They also founded the Wall Street Journal. All right. So the Dow 30 was developed to track the overall performance of the US stock market when information flow was relatively limited. So the idea was to let ordinary investors know the market's direction. So that's a bit of history of the US 30 there, my friends. Okay. Now, the original index consisted of 12 companies only, okay, that were considered important to America's economy. So they were because I think you will not see this now in the US 30, okay? American oil, American cotton oil, American sugar, American tobacco, Chicago gas, distilling and cattle feeding, General Electric. Okay, General Electric is this company is very well known. Okay, what else? I don't know how do you read this. Luck Lead Gas, National Lead, North American Utility, Tennessee Coal and Iron, U.S. Leather, PFD. Oh, sorry. And U.S. Rubber. So before there were only 12, huh? So before there were only 12. Okay, that's better. So as this list illustrates, the economy of the 19th century America was much more focused on producing commodities. Okay, the Dow expanded to 20 stocks in 1916 and then 30 stocks in 1928. So that's a bit of info for you. Huh? Very nice. No, what else? So now these are now the current, okay, list of the 30 companies included in the US 30. So the Dow Jones Industrials in reverse order by market capitalization. So the biggest we have here is Apple. Okay, AAPL is Apple. Market cap of $3.36 trillion. First year in the Dow. Then NVIDIA. Okay, I think you all know NVIDIA. You can always see this in your computers, in your laptops. Okay, and now they're, pushing the AI technology now. NVIDIA, Microsoft, Amazon, and many others. So these are the first page. These are the 10 companies. Okay, very famous. Walmart, Visa, Johnson and Johnson, Procter and Gamble, among others. All right, my friends. What else? Okay, this is the other 10. Goldman Sachs Group, Home Depot, Honeywell, okay, and Coca-Cola, McDonald's, 3M Company, and Merck and Company, okay, among others. What else? Microsoft, okay, Nike, Nvidia again. I don't know, maybe this is another another branch. I don't know because the symbol is different from the first one. Oh, it's the same. 2.94 trillion. I don't know. I don't know why it's repeating, huh? I don't know. Maybe I made some mistake here. Yeah, I think I just made a mistake here. Yes, it's repeated. Anyhow, we'll get to that in another time. This is the other one. Okay, I think it's the same. Okay, so just in a nutshell, you get the idea. Okay, there's exactly 30 of these companies, and this is how the U.S. market, okay, tends to like to determine the bias of the market. If it's either going up, if it's going up, then the trading will be good. If it's going down, then there's a problem with these companies. All right. And so the bottom line is the US 30 is one of the most discussed stock indices on the planet. It's been around since 1896 and comprises America's finest, largest, and most invested in blue chip companies. So that makes it a hot topic of debate and according to many pundits, a key barometer of state of the overall stock market and economy. Okay. So that's US 30, okay? But have you heard of S&P 500? Okay, it's the same. There's more like 500 exactly for this stock, and maybe in another time, I will, we will discuss this in one of our webinars about S&P 500. Okay, it's a totally different branch of subject there, but we will get more into that later on. Okay, but for now, it's US 30. So, how do you trade the US 30? Okay, when you open Trading View, okay, this is the US 30. Okay, typical US 30 price action there. But what do you notice? Exactly by New York, you see some big moves. All right, especially in the New York London overlap, you get these big moves, sudden big moves. Okay, let's check the previous day. You see, my friends? Wow, if you can just capitalize this and know how to trade and catch these big moves on the US 30, yeah? Okay, some days are not that big, but it's better than London and Asia, okay? Compared to London and Asia, oh, US 30, sorry, the London session will give you these big moves, okay? So later on, we will know how we will trade such price action, okay? So just bear with me. Okay, trading the US 30. It's just, having this three checklist, okay? We will mark the range, support and resistance on the 1 minute time frame, okay, at around 9 p.m. So every night you will sit on your computer, your laptop, your phone, and by 9 p.m. you will plot your support and resistance on the 1 minute time frame, okay? So just like so, now we are in London. What time is this? 8:57. Exactly here, okay? By this time, you will sit on your hands and just watch the price action. All right. Now it says here, mark the range, support and resistance. Okay. So let's see the structure now. What is this? Resistance, right? Okay. Let's play this out. And this is the support. So this is the range. This is the range, my friends. Okay. Now, playing this. Okay. Did you notice that sudden move exactly by 9:30, right? Okay. Be ready by 9:25 to 9:30 because the big move will now kick in. Okay, New York Stock Exchange will now, open and, they will start their trading. Okay, so what is the strategy? So it's buying high, selling low. Okay, when breaking either the SNR or support and resistance. Buy high, sell low. Did that ring any bell to you? Okay, there's a lot of people now. Wow. Welcome, my friends. Joseph J, Rio, Delfinado, Ray B, Gary, Joseph, Rio. Okay. Welcome for attending tonight's webinar. Feel free to ask any questions if you have some. So, moving on, buy high, sell low. Usually it's buy low, sell high, right? If price action goes to the resistance, so we will sell high. Now we want to sell high, we want to go down to support. And when you are in the support, you want to buy, yes, we want to buy low, so you will reach the other end on top. But in this strategy, it's reversed, totally reversed. Huh? We will buy high and sell low. Okay, that's it. Now, okay, quick tips. Just so you know, okay, if there's a high impact news, okay, example CPI, PPI, Okay, we've already discussed this. Such high impact news will really, you know, break structures. It will ruin the the structure. It will ruin your support and resistance. And now you will find it just ranging after this high impact news at 8:30. Okay, usually it's 8:30. CPI, PPI will kick in. Expect the ranging price action after 9:30. Okay, when New York will kick in, you will notice now price is just not going anywhere. It's not sweeping any highs because of this high impact news. So a sweep on both SNL is likely, okay, causing fake outs. You think it broke the high, now I want to buy. It broke the low, now I want to sell. No, which will result to missed opportunity. Okay, that's the quick tip for you, my friends. Huh? Maybe we can see this in the chart later. Okay, enter on the engulfing candle after breakout. As you all know, we always like the engulfing candle as our entry. Okay, stop loss above the candle, or if there's a swing high or swing low after this engulfing candle. Use the EMA 50 and 200 for added confluence. So let's check. Where's my 50 and 200? 250. So that's your EMA. What else? Okay, use the MACD for trend direction if possible. Okay, if you want to use this, then why not? More confluence, more better. Okay, more better bias for you then. So stop loss at the middle of the SNR. Okay, you can put it in the middle or above SNR, huh? Depending on the trade, huh? Okay, or above SNR or swings. That's it. And then our risk to reward here will be 1:2 at least. Okay, because if you will risk $10, you want $20, or yeah, double that or more, 1 to 3, depends. Okay, but at least you will. If you will not have this, then the trade will be invalid because there's no use if you will only gain the same amount of your risk. Then that's not trading anymore. Okay, at least 1:2. Now, because this, as you know, we are in the 1 minute time frame, so we are really just scalping here. Okay, but with the US 30's big movements, okay, you can capitalize well if you know how to trade this. All right. Now, Algotur is a quantitative-driven trading company focusing on market making and multi-asset trading. Its expertise spans various asset classes, including futures, options, stocks, commodities, forex, and cryptocurrencies. Algotur is a quantitative trading service company with over 10 years of experience in strategy development, focusing on proprietary trading. So let the numbers talk, my friends. You can always read this in Algotur's website, which I think you did by now. And you can also please spread the word to your friends, your family, I don't know, your neighbor. Okay, just let Alguter take us to the next level and fly to the next level. All right. So what else? Okay, as you all know, we have copy trading where you can always benefit from expert traders trades and just copy them and earn money on the side. You can always start with only just $100. And for anyone interested, you can always contact our Algoter managers, and they'll be gladly uh, uh, to assist you any given time. All right. So just bear this if you have interest, or you could always share this with your friends. Okay, your family. Copy trading. Easy. Just copy other expert traders trades, and you can capitalize. All right. What else? Okay, we also have some insurance program here where if you end at a net loss, Algoter will reimburse your qualifying losses. Okay, keep 100% of any profits you make. Or originally this was $1,500, but now with only for 500 minimum, you can begin and benefit from this program. Okay, my friends, and as you all can see in this table, there's a $6,000 sweet spot here where you can gain a 26.79% return of investment, which will be very nice for you. Okay, there's also some you know signals here you can have, and 24/7 trade support. among many others. So if you're interested, okay, just contact our algorithm managers and they will gladly uh, want to assist you anytime. All right, my friends. And lastly, Zoe, as you all know, we are trading in the Zoe platform powered by TradingView. It's a global financial technology company under the Zoe Group, headquartered in the United Kingdom, with operational centers in Hong Kong and the United States. Specializing in CV trading, Zoe offers a diverse range of financial products, including forex, precious metals, oil, indices, and US shares. So you can always trade on the go with the Zoe app, the ultimate mobile trading platform offering advanced analysis, comprehensive charting, seamless account management, and real-time economic updates all in one convenient solution. So I hope you already have your Zoe app in your mobile devices. Okay, you can always download this in Google Play and App Store and trade on the go, my friends. All right. Also, I think there's some issue here that they're saying like, oh, Zoe is the no, my friend, I can vouch for you, okay? I already withdrawn many times here in the Zoe app. I can show you the evidence that I'm receiving the money. It's even going directly to my GCash. Imagine that. Just withdraw, okay, in a matter of hours, at least 1 hour, 2 hours maximum, you will have your money on your GCash account. So don't be a skeptic. Don't be afraid that this is, some people, when they have some bad experience, they will say, "Oh, this is a scam." No, how is scam? I myself, okay, I can vouch for you because what they are doing, okay, they are not following the rules, okay, of the platform. Okay, even for me, okay, I had many experience like triggering all these risk controls because just to explain for you just a bit, okay. When you have a funded account, 5,000, 10,000, now I have 20,000. If you will trigger this risk control, okay, this will reset automatically back to the original account. So even if you reach 25,000, 30,000, when you will hit the risk control, okay, what is risk of is 5% of 20,000 is $1,000. If you will hit 18,999, this will reset the risk control. Okay, sorry, it will trigger risk control and it will now all your profits are gone now. Okay, forget about it. That's prop trading. Okay, if you cannot accept this, then it's not for you. Okay, just better go live trade. Okay, but in a funded account, always remember there are rules to follow, and we must abide each and every time. Okay, so and that's their number one. That's the number one fault. The second one is just very easy. What? Okay, you need to upload your identification, IDs, okay, passport, driver's license. Okay, Zoe will ask you for this, and just give it to them. But you're not giving it, and now you will say no, you cannot withdraw because the KYC, okay, know your customer process is not valid. They cannot just give money away to someone without any proper identification. So please always follow these rules, my friends, and everything will just go smooth sailing. Okay, so don't don't be skeptic and afraid. No, okay. Just follow the rules and everything will fine. Okay, I can vouch for you. I have already withdrawn many times on Zoe app, and it's even going directly to my GCash account. Okay, if I want that, I can also choose my bank transfer, no problem. But GCash, imagine, it's straight to your GCash. No need to go to the bank and withdraw your money there. So please, huh? All right, I hope that's clear. And lastly, of course, our 50% deposit bonus. So please avail, my friends. Okay, because having extra is better than you say. If you have 500 and you will just deposit into other broker, then you will just have 500. But with Algoter, you will have 250 more. So avail, my friends, avail until they have this giveaway. Okay, my friends. So I hope that's it, and we will reach the end of the slide. Now we can go to the chart. All right. So okay. This is the support, okay, or this is the range, the resistance there. You need the body candle close above and below this range, okay? But now it's inside the range. Okay, now let's see. Let's see if this range is still valid. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it's inside the range. Huh? Let's play this. Okay, it now went down. Okay. So this is now really want to go down because maybe it's just testing this, but now it cannot go up. So what do we need now to see? Remember that's steps. Okay. Okay, we are now in the 930. We will buy high, sell low when breaking either the support or resistance. So let's see now. Okay. Okay. What do you see, my friends? What do you want to see? Want to see the bearish engulfing because we are going down. Bearish engulfing, huh? Is that a bearish engulfing? No. Okay, now it's going on. Okay, maybe some bearish engulfing will appear now here. There it is. That's it. Short position. Above that engulfing candle or above that swing. Okay, that swing high we are talking. That's the swing high. Okay, then this is the bearish engulfing. Target what? Target what? Target this fresh levels, my friend. Malaysian SNR. Remember, everything is connected now. Okay, what is this? Is the support. This is the support of previous day's New York session. But who knows? Let's try Asia. Asia, that's a support fresh. Never mitigated, huh? Okay, let's see what will happen in our trade. Okay, everything is set. Everything is set, my friends. Zoom in so you can see it clearly. You can say, oh, I cannot see it. Okay, don't worry, my friend. I will show you. Let's see, huh? Playing now. You see, my friend? Did it hit? No, it didn't hit. You see, it's still going, and it's below the 200 and the 50. It's just retesting the 50. All right, but it's still there. Will it hit our TP? I hope so. Let's go. Okay, London is really pushing it now. This is almost 12 o'clock. Okay, it didn't go. It means somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here reverses. Okay, so it's just sweep the New York's previous day's New York session low. Okay, it didn't go for the Asia. So that's the idea. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, who knows? Because you will see now it's reversing and say it went up, it went above the 50, then you can exit here. But that's the trade idea, my friends. Okay, you can always have this TP1, TP2, and TP3 is really pushing this on the Asia low. Okay, but that's the idea. You see how many hundreds of pips is this, my friend? Huh? Just imagine. So that's one example. All right, that's done. What else? So we need New York session the next day. Okay, what is this? Okay, 11th of August, Monday. Playing now. Okay, let's speed these things up. Okay, so times 7. Let's see. All right. Okay, let's go to 5 minutes. Speed things up. Ah, you see, it still went down. You see, it swept Asia. Okay, see, if you can wait, then wait. If not, it's up to you because it's really going there. It's going to your drawdown. Now you're more scared. I can understand. You can jump there and then maybe re-enter somewhere. Okay, so it was swept Asia's low there. Now we are in London the next day. So let London do its wow. There's a high impact, I think. Okay. 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 Let's just review this. Okay. Okay. So going to 1 minute. Okay, we're in London. Okay, where's the range? Okay. Just mark your resistance there. That's like so. And this is the, because this one broke it make the break of structure. So this is the last low. Okay. Not the other lows down there. Okay. Not this, not this. Okay. The last. Okay. That broke structures, which is this one. Okay. And then it just continues making higher highs, higher lows, higher. And then from there, it's gone. So that's the range. Okay. That's how you do the range, my friends. Okay. I already told you how to do this break of structure. Okay, now this is your range. So now we will just wait. Now it's just a waiting game. Okay, you do nothing. You sit on your hands. Let's play this. Okay, New York kicks in. Will it break the high or the low? It's playing there. There. Body can close. It means what you want to see, a bullish engulfing going up. Okay, buying high, selling low. Okay, that's the strategy. Now, where's our bullish engulfing? Okay, some red candles. Okay, that's good. Okay. That's it, my friend. Is that a bullish engulfing? Yes. Enter there, my friends. Okay, but that's the strategy, okay? But let's see why this big move up there, because there could be some high impact here, high impact news. And what was our quick tips, okay? If there's a high impact news, okay, expect the ranging price action after 9:30, which we are now seeing. You see, it's just ranging there. Okay, but now it's what's 2200? That's 10 o'clock. Okay, it's already past 10 o'clock and then only it broke there. That's not the typical US 30 price action. Okay, a typical US 30 is after 9:30, some big moves immediately. Yeah, but let's see if there's a high impact news on August 11. So where are we going? Forex Factory, right? Okay, Forex Factory. Okay, calendar. August 11. Give me that. Okay, there's nothing. Okay, there's nothing. So there's nothing. There's nothing. Let's see if what will happen here. If we will buy now here because of that bullish engulfing. Okay, below this, but where is now? It's really going to be say it's a lot now. Where is the swing? This could be the swing, but that's too much. Okay, we'll just put it above the support. Okay, in any case, we'll put it there and just target some highs here. There could be something here. Okay, but you see, okay, is this the high? Okay, is it enough? Maybe it's enough. Okay, what is this price? 44519. 445,120 and 9. Okay, let's try that. That's it. That's how you get your TP and your stop loss. Okay. Okay, but okay, if your fund can handle this, then it's better. But if not, that's it. Just below the bullish engulfing or the engulfing canal. Okay, but for now, you'll cut it for maybe you have enough funds to do this. Let's play this. Will it hit our TP? Let's see. Oh, almost, huh? Come on, let's go. Now, just the waiting game is the most important part of this part. Okay. Because once you place the trade, now you want to really hit your TP. Just wait and let's see. If not, then that's the trade for the day. Well, let's hit. Oh, it's going below the 50. By this time, maybe you can consider jumping. Okay. If you had enough, okay, it's like what time is this now? 1 o'clock, time to sleep, okay? Then better jump, okay? But that's the trade idea, okay? You just mark the highs there if there's any fresh levels on the top or below, and we see it hit it. But at what time? At 2 o'clock. You see, my friend, that's it. Once the price action gets out, breaking out the support or the resistance, just wait for your next engulfing candle. In this case, we are going up. We need bullish engulfing. And if you're going down, we need the bearish engulfing. And that's it, my friend. See, just this indicator. Okay. Okay. If you want to use the MACD, okay, where's the MACD during this time? Okay. During this bullish engulfing, where is the MACD? Okay. There. Okay. It was on top. Okay. But now it was ranging. Okay. And then it's at this point, it crosses over. Okay. That's why it pushed this price almost to RTP. But it takes some time because there was a high impact news, and now this is the ranging. What I'm telling you, okay, if there's a high impact, US30 will have a hard time to break structure because now it didn't break any structure. Okay, it's just making but for some reason it tried to hit this high here. Okay, these are all hit. Okay, it's already done. Okay, price already went past this price, but this is the only thing that's not finished. This is the unfinished business, so that's why it tried to go, which it did, but it will take some time, and I give you this ranging market. Okay, my friends, very nice, huh? I hope you understand the strategy. Okay, moving on to 5 minutes to the next day. Playing this. Okay, let's see. Let's delete this. Asia, faster. Okay, we don't care about Asia. Don't care about London. We need the New York session. This is US30. Okay, London. Okay, see, very nice, choppy and nice sideways. This is Asia's trademark. London. Okay, manipulated. Okay, somewhere here. Back to 1 minute. Okay, moving on. Okay, so where's our range? Oh, of course, always the last candle. Okay, you will check it and go reverse. Okay, so going down. So this was the high. So this is the resistance. Okay, this is the last low because it broke something. So this is not the low. Okay, no, this is the low. This is the last low. Okay, that's the support. Okay, because it broke structure here. Okay, so it didn't. Because we're going in an uptrend. So it needs to break this low back. But for now, this is the range. Yeah? All right. Now let's see. Okay, it's going up. So is that the body candle close? No, we need the body candle close. New York, you see, exactly at 9:30. This is the US30 trademark, my friends. Okay, so now we are going up clearly with this bullish candle there. But this bullish engulfing is inside the range. So we will not consider that. We need outside, okay? Okay, will it give us a bullish engulfing? No, no, no. No, it's really going up. No, it's really going up. No, maybe you say, "Oh, FOMO. I don't, I'm going FOMO, fear of missing out. I want my bullish engulfing now." There it is. Long positions below the bullish engulfing, or if you can tolerate the 50 pips somewhere here, I don't. I cannot tell that. For me, it's 50 pips. Okay, but US 30 will just give you some spikes and maybe a little bit more. Okay, I don't know. Maybe it is low here. Okay, this is the last. Low there of that week. Targeting what? I don't know if you will have structure here. There's nothing here. You see, this is one of the few examples where the price has nothing to go. Okay, so I don't know. This is the 1 minute. Let's see the 15 minute if there's something there. Give me something, my friend. Ah, there is. So there is. Okay. Okay. So we will target this high here. I don't know if price can go there, but let's see. Where is the swing? Okay, this is TP1. Okay. Okay, my friend, always check. Okay, the swings. Okay. This is a swing. This is a swing. This is the last high. Okay. So it's all up to you now where you will TP. Okay, this is really pushing it. Maybe just below this candles here. Okay, something like that. Okay, 15 minutes, 1 minute. Wow, if this will pay out, oh, it's too long. My God, this is how many days? This is how many days? Okay, 1 minute. Okay, that's better. Okay, everything is set. We have our bullish engulfing. We have our stop loss. This is real too much of a stop loss, huh? But but stop loss is stop loss. Okay, it's all up to you, my friends. Now let's play this. You see, my friend. You see, the US 30 is really killing it. Don't go to the stop loss, please. You see, what time is this now? 23. Okay, it's 11 o'clock. Going to 12 o'clock. See, my friend. This is now in the extremes, okay? Because trading really, this is just 1:2. Maybe this is 1:3 now. I don't know what it says there. It's not, I cannot see it. Okay, it's here. See, it's going. This is 3. Okay, this is 1:3. Okay, right. So will it hit? You see, it hit your take profit. But there's patience there. What time it when it's finished at 3:48 a.m. PST, Philippine Standard Time. This is trading, my friends. Okay, I'm giving you all the secret sauce because you need the patience. Okay, in our motivational video before our webinar, patience is key. Okay, but if you don't have this, then you need to learn. Okay, because this is how trading should be. All right, if you have a TP, set and forget. If it hit your TP, the next day you wake up, oh, thank you very much, TP. It give me some good profit. And because that's your strategy, you put your stop loss below this swing low. I told you. You see, it went back. You were in a drawdown. If you put it just below that bullish engulfing, then the more it will hit. No chance. It hit your stop loss if you put it below that bullish engulfing. But we chose the swing low, which is this wick here. Okay, so it gives us more protection. And 3:48 a.m. it hit your take profit. That's it, my friend. Okay, very easy. What is this example? This is Thursday. Okay, let's try Friday. Let's try Friday now. For the whole week, all are winners. Asia, London. Okay. Okay, this big move here, I don't know. Maybe this is another high impact news, but we'll see. Going to 1 minute. Okay, New York. Where is the range? This is the range. Okay, this is the resistance. This is your support. Okay. You see, maybe if you're asking me what to put it in the body or the wick, put it in the wick. This is still price action. Okay, so it's want to go down. Let's see if we really have a body kind of close down there. Okay, that's a body kind of close, but some retest. Okay, it's retest in the 50 there. Let's see now if it really wants to go down. Oh, it body kind of close up there. So some change of direction there. Now we want a bullish engulfing, right? Okay. No, it went back in the range. Don't enter without that confirmation, my friends. Okay, we need some engulfing candles. So it's in the range. We will not do anything. I don't know why the price action is this choppy because this could be a high impact news. Huh? That's why US30 doesn't have any structure to break. Okay, this was the really clean structure, but this is high impact. So it's just making all this crazy price action. But let's see. Okay, that's inside. Okay, that's outside. Outside. Give me some red candle. Okay. Bullish engulfing. Where is it? No, not yet. Okay. No, no, it's crazy. I told you. That's your quick tips there. Is that a bullish engulfing? Yes. It engulfs this red candle. Okay. So let's enter there. Strategy, strategy. You just need to follow your strategy. Otherwise, you're just guessing. That's my strategy. Below that engulfing, no. Below the swing low here. Okay, target what? Target this high here. This high here. This high here. Or this London high. Who knows, my friend? Okay. Okay, London is higher than Asia, so that's it. That's it for this day. Friday, it's the weekend anyway. Let's see where this will take us. So let's go. Let's play this out now. Ah, it hit your stop loss. It hit our stop loss. Okay. Yeah, trading is trading. You cannot win every time. So out of the 5 days, okay, we lost on this Friday trade. But that's trade. See, choppy. See, it's ranging. Now, really, you started to know where to go. It's just fooling everyone now. Fooled us eventually, but that's trading. Okay, so that's the quick tips I told you. So that's the strategy. Okay, out of the 5 days, Monday to Friday, we lost on the Friday. So all the winners on the Monday through Thursday is all wins. So not bad, my friends. Don't feel bad if you lose one. You already won 4 times in a row. So that's the strategy. Okay. So any questions you want to clarify? That's all the strategy I can teach you. That's all the secret sauce for this US30 trading strategy. Okay, my friends. So if there's any question, please feel free to ask me now. I hope everyone understood the strategy. Yeah, very easy. Just have your EMAs 250. Okay, because here, okay, we entered below the 200. So that's really not a good idea, but strategies. Anyway, if it's above here, yes, maybe this could go up, but price can do anything at once. The market is king, and we don't know exactly what. That's why you have your stop. Okay, if you want to put your stop loss here, okay, be my guest, but that's it. That's all we can risk, and that's it for that day. So always remember, oh, you can use your MACD for your trend direction. This is one problem. Okay, we didn't check our MACD. It made a crossover down, so price should go down. So this is not a good trade. Okay, my bad. but that's trading. All right. Okay. Maybe if I saw this before I place this trade, maybe I will not post the buy position, but it made the crossover, so not that's bad. Okay, so it means it will hit our stop loss and lose this trade. Okay, Mr. Nani, this strategy is only for US30 trading. Yes, boss. Mr. Nani, this is only for the US30, yeah, because as you can see here, okay, if there's some high impact news, let's see, what date is this? 14th of August. Let's see. 14th of August. You see, my friends, PPI. This is the culprit here. The PPI, this will slap us in the face. And the CPI also on the August 12th. Okay, but fortunately, we won this trade during Tuesday. We won the trade, but PPI, CPI will give you this kind of price action. Okay, this is only for you study because all exactly after by 9:30 without the high impact news. See, very clean. It's above the 50. The price is above the 50 and the 200. And there we have our engulfing candle there, and we buy there and hit our TP. You see, the US30 after 9:30. See, if you will measure this, okay, 9:30 from this candle, okay, to our entry there. That's 12 bars. That's 12 minutes. Okay, 12 minutes of waiting. You will have your bullish engulfing and just place your trade there and just target the highs there. Okay, which we did here. And it hit our take profit at 3:48 a.m. So every 9:30, you will have US30 give you these big moves like this. Okay, I think we want this one for sure, but I just deleted that trade. Okay, here, see, 9:30. See, yeah, went down there, not much, but still, compared to London and Asia, New York give you this big move. Also here, see, big moves after 9:30, and especially this one, you see, wow, exactly 9:30, some bullish engulfing there, and he give you this. That's it, my friend. That's all the US30 strategy. So I hope you get the idea now, huh? All right. Any more? Can we use this strat for gold? Um, you can try. You can try because 9:30, yes, typically 9:30, okay. New York session opens there in America, and yeah, it could push the price of gold substantially, but you can also try this. Maybe who it will work. Okay, maybe not. But as I tested this strategy for many times now, this is the US30 sir, because it always give you that 9:30 impulse moves, right? As you have seen. So that's it, my friends. So I hope you learned something new for tonight. And thank you once again, my friends. I cannot mention all of you. Some new names here: Bunso, Kurt. Yeah, okay. Thank you all for joining, and Jessa, welcome for attending tonight's webinar. And I hope to see you again next time for another secret sauce reveal. Okay, my friends. So thank you. You can always watch this in YouTube and in Algotar's channel. You know, I've revealed all the secret sauce for you guys. Okay, honestly, I'm running out of secret sauce. Maybe I will make my manong sauce one day because I already given you many strategies in trading. So, suck it up. Use it. It's all in your hands. Okay. All the possibilities to make money, to get rich is now in your hands, my friends. Okay. So until then, we meet